In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Sage 50 accounting software with this easy guide. Whether you're using the US edition or the Canadian edition, this step-by-step process will help you get it set up on a single standalone Windows computer hassle-free. Before we dive into the actual installation, it's crucial to ensure you've checked off a few key preparation steps. First, let's talk about system requirements. You'll need to make sure your computer is running a supported version of Windows, such as Windows 10 or Windows 11. Keep in mind, Sage 50 isn't natively compatible with Mac computers, so if you're using one, you'll need Boot Camp or a virtual machine. In terms of hardware, your system should have a minimum of 4 GB of RAM, though 8 GB is recommended, and you'll need at least 1 GB of hard disk space available for the software installation. Once you've confirmed your system can handle Sage 50, gather your product keys, look for the serial number, which should be on your product box, disk case, or in a purchase confirmation email. Then find your activation key code, which you would have received via email after registering your product on the Sage website. It's important to have these ready to make the installation as smooth as possible. Next, let's start with a clean slate. If you have a previous version of Sage 50 installed, including a trial or student version, it's best to uninstall it first. This step can prevent any potential conflicts between versions. Also, while it might seem a bit unusual, temporarily disabling your antivirus software is a smart move. Antivirus programs have been known to interfere with the installation of key components, such as the Database Manager Pervasive or Action PSQL, leading to installation failures or incomplete setups. Now that preparation is complete, let's move on to downloading the software. Head over to the official Sage website or the specific download page you've been provided with, perhaps through a school's education partner portal. Once there, log into your Sage account if prompted. You'll need to select the exact version and edition of Sage 50 you've purchased, like Pro or Premium, based on what you or your instructor specified. With that done, click the download link to save the installer file, typically an .exe file. Choose a location you're comfortable with, like your desktop or the downloads folder on your computer. This makes it easy to find when you're ready to proceed to the next steps in the installation process, which we'll cover in our next video. So there you have it. With a bit of preparation and a few clicks, you'll be on your way to using Sage 50 accounting software. Be sure to stay tuned for more guides on navigating and getting the most out of your Sage accounting tools. Thanks for watching and happy accounting!